Today in crypto. Ether, ETH, and Bitcoin, BTC, pulled back on Wednesday as investors awaited fresh guidance from the United States Federal Reserve. Fed ETH price slipped by 0.57% to $2,857, while the BTC/USD prices were up 0.68%, changing hands at $39,739 at around 10:30 a.m. EST. Nevertheless, both the pairs reached their current levels following a downside correction from their respective intraday highs of $2,391 and $40,925, respectively. Continue reading on Cointelegraph. Towards bullish indicators. Despite an increase in BTC inflows to exchange platforms, most of the selling seems to be absorbed by strong buyers. As a consequence, the Bitcoin spot reserves on exchanges are on a downtrend, as the chart below shows. Quant claims that this is the highest outflow level since Bitcoin has been testing the lows of its current range, around $29,000, and the high levels at $40,000. Therefore, it is possible to assume that BTC's price could find enough support for a fresh leg up into previous highs. This data also suggests that the price could reclaim the previous high without great demand, Quant said. There were similar. For the short term, the firm predicts more resistance in the current levels with a potential TD9 sell signal for July 29. During the weekend, the end-of-the-month options expiring could push Bitcoin to the $40,000 and $42,000. If this is the case, QCP Capital expects these levels to hold with a potential extension to the $50,000. This year has seen unprecedented growth in the crypto markets, with lucrative knock-on effects for third parties like Visa, NYSE, This, however, may already be beginning to dwindle, according to the company's senior executives. The payments giant's newly released financial results for fiscal Q3 2021 show bullish figures for cross-border and overseas transactions, a key metric for analysts on the lookout for early signals of pandemic recovery. Continue reading on Cointelegraph. This year has seen unprecedented growth in the crypto markets, with lucrative knock-on effects for third parties like Visa, NYSE, This, however, may already be beginning to dwindle, according to the company's senior executives. The payments giant's newly released financial results for fiscal Q3 2021 show bullish figures for cross-border and overseas transactions, a key metric for analysts on the lookout for early signals of pandemic recovery. Continue reading on Cointelegraph. The Cardano network is in the watershed phase of its network development and upgrades. The ongoing phase of the protocol's roadmap is the Goguen phase, bringing smart contracts to the network. This is the third phase of the roadmap after Byron and Shelley. The Goguen phase was split into three stages: Allegra, Mary, and Alonzo. The Allegra update went live on December 16 last year, and the Mary update was deployed on the mainnet on March 1 earlier this year. This leaves the Alonzo upgrade, which was further split into three different phases, named Blue, White, and Purple. While the final deployment of the Alonzo upgrade on the mainnet was planned to be in August 2021, there seems to be a delay in the phase's release, as Alonzo is still in the testnet part of its progress. Continue reading on Cointelegraph. Hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.